people. It is utmost pleasure to show myself before you. This is Hajrat Balal from Bangladesh. I am 22 years old and I am also the final year student at the Department of Education at the University of Dhaka. As I was born in rural place of Bangladesh, which is based on agricultural economy, from my childhood, I was closely connected to the agricultural system, and I have seen that farmers of our local community cultivate only fewer products in a similar way year to year. That's why they feel monotony on agricultural activities, and day by day they are lagging behind. As in our country, we don't have proper agro-based industry. We must focus on agriculture in most. That's why I think if we develop our agricultural sector, our economy will upgrade day by day. By this way, I think I need to do something in agricultural sector, and that's why I feel interest in agricultural sector. For this reason, I plan to spread out entrepreneurship idea among the rural farmer in our community. As already I have an organization in our local community which is working on children education. I just set a plan to set a new scheme on this organization for our rural farmer. Along with the help of our local government, after providing them in-hand training and arranging workshop, we will give them modern agro-based accessories to develop the agricultural sector. My plan and my ideas linked with SDG 1, 2, 8 and SDG 12. After participating in an international youth entrepreneurship summit, I just share my entrepreneurship view before the panelists from the different professors from different university. They are warmly welcome my initiative and ideas. They also modify my ideas in some extent. My ideas was entrepreneurship organization to set up in our local community, which is working on providing in-hand training for rural farmers and providing modern agro-based accessories and teach them how to use those accessories in their real field, and also advise them the best on their activities in their real field. I think if we run this organization successfully, we, our community, and also our country will get from the best. Finally, I want to run this organization by the help of our local organizer after providing them leadership training in some extent. And after seeing the miserable condition of our local community and local people, I think I can do something for them and I can change their fate, change their fortune immediately. And finally, if I get chance to participate in this Youth Agvocate Summit in 2019, I will share my views, and I got something from different youth mind, and I will share my initiative and ideas to reduce hunger and poverty. Thank you.